Infinite blessings, and welcome to the start of the rest of your life. Within this beginner's meditation mastery series, you will gain all the information and techniques required to start or develop your meditation mastery practice, from the very first breath right through to complete inner mastery. I exist in a state of excellence in all I do, and for this reason I only ever release content that is in keeping with this truth. Information to assist you in life and to help you actualize your most joyful and abundant version in all ways. In this series, we will cover all the steps in starting and developing your meditation mastery practice. Together we will journey inwards and discover the truth hidden behind the veil of illusion that separates you from the truth of who you are. We will cover various topics similar to that within our monthly podcast, Behind the Curtain, although within the podcast we dive a lot deeper than we did in this series, as this series is designed as a starting point, and it is useful to have the confidence in your own abilities to swim before diving in too deep. Throughout this series, I will refer to various steps and label them as such, from the beginning and first step, right the way to the last step, and experiencing firsthand meditation mastery and inner stillness. Each element, ingredient, aspect or step is never separate. Is all part of the continual flow of existence itself. Each step upon a journey leads to the next, and upon that last step it takes you to the end of that particular journey and the start of the next one. So to simply allow for an internal representation of the journey we are going to take together, go ahead and close your eyes for a moment and simply picture a set of stairs in front of you. We are starting from the ground with a solid foundation of knowledge, experience and guidance, and journeying forwards together. We will make our way one step at a time. Keep in mind the final destination and the completion of the final step and actualization of a deep and life-changing inner awareness. Yet focus upon the step you are on now with full attention, as the moment of now and what you are currently doing is the only aspect of reality you perceive that is actually happening now. The past is gone, and the future, or your forward projection of your personal expectations for the future, are just a thought, and have no solidity to them until they become a reality in now. In truth, most thoughts of the future are based around fear, and I want to control the outcome of potential unknown events. Although we will not be covering this topic within this book. That said, if fear, anxiety, or negative past events limit you from living freely and truly enjoying life, I strongly suggest you head over to our website, greatestversion.club, and utilize our groundbreaking and life-changing course, 5 Steps to Freedom and Personal Empowerment. Before we start, I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart and with my entire being for investing within yourself. Most people never seek anything other than what is placed in front of them, and never question what they are told or if it is true. To question it all and continue to learn and grow is to be truly alive. The inner work you are undertaking doesn't only improve your own potential and enjoyment in life, it affects the entire collective consciousness of humanity on a global scale. You are a truth seeker, a trailblazer, leading by example and laying the foundations for a brighter world for all. As you continue to expand your consciousness, you cause the continued expansion of the universe itself, as the universe must continue to develop to house your continued evolution of self. This truth, and many more like it, are what will be discovered and actualized throughout the information in this series. Enjoy. Namaste. I thank you for taking this life-changing journey with me. It is a true honour, gift and privilege to have been part of your journey. And I ask for your support in remaining part of mine by making sure that you click that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and share this video with your friends and family. Be sure to tune in to tune out again next week with another powerfully beautiful and life-changing episode of Mainstream Meditation. Love and light and infinite blessings. And until next time, Namaste.